Alright, good Tuesday morning. Welcome back to the Columbia Basin Hobby YouTube channel. Today is December 31st, so it's New Year's Eve. I hope everybody had a good Christmas and hope that everybody has had a good 2024, and hope everybody has a good night tonight and as we welcome in 2025. But anyways, today I'm going to work on my G-Made Buffalo G02 that I've had for quite a while. I built it as a kit. We're going to be working on it. I got some different wheels and tires. I wanted to put something more, a little bit more scale tire on it. So I had some BF Goodrich K02s that I think came off like an Axial or something like that. So anyways, that's what we're going to do today. First of all, we'll kind of go through it here a little bit. So not many people are probably know what this thing is. It's G-Made Buffalo. It's actually a really good scale crawler. But yeah, I really like it. I'll take the body off here in a little bit and I'll show you what I have inside. But yeah, we're going to be getting rid of these wheels and tires on it. They're just the stock tires that came with the kit. They're a good tire, but like I said, I just wanted something a little more scale. And the ones that I have are quite a bit heavier too, so give it a little bit more weight down low. So yeah, let's get the body off this thing and get these other tires and wheels on it. I'll get the camera set up and we'll get to it. Alright, let's get started. Let's get flipped over. The one really nice thing about these G-Mades is, as you can tell, no body clips. They got two little body clips underneath here. Pull these little tabs. You lift the front up and you slide the back off, and the body comes off just like that. I have a full lighting kit on it, so I'm gonna disconnect these, get the cab off of it as I knock everything over on my bench. But anyways, here is the G-Made Buffalo. It's a G02F chassis. I think it's an 1800 kV, yeah, 1800 kV Fusion Pro in it. From the factory, it has a 14, almost 15% overdrive. It is also, as you can tell, it's counter rotating, so it gets rid of the torque twist, which is kind of cool that this came in the kit. I built it as a kit and this is the way it came. With the 14, like I said, almost 15% overdrive to the front, counter rotating. Got 3-link panhard in the front, 4-link in the back. But anyways, like I was saying, they are a really capable trail rig. I wouldn't call it a rock crawler, but it's a very good trail rig. So anyways, let's get these wheels and tires off of it and I'll show you what I have for it. And then we're going to also weigh these tires because I know the other ones are much heavier. So I'm going to weigh these and see how much heavier, how much more weight I'm going to keep or get down low. Again, these are the stock G-Made tires with their the stock inserts in them. These are on an RC 4-wheel drive, nice aluminum wheels. They're a really nice wheel. I like these wheels, but they're too light. I wanted something heavier. So we're going to put something a little more scale looking and maybe a little more better performing on it. There we go. So this is what I have. I'm going to put on them. Like again, I said, it's a BFG Goodrich or BF Goodrich all-terrain TA G02s. I think they came off of like a axial something or other, but I've got them on just some Amazon wheels, and I've got some Injora silicone inserts, which I've been running in a lot of my stuff and I really like them. But let's let's weigh these and see the difference in them. Alright, got my scale out. Let's get these things weighed. These are basically 5.43 ounces each. That's these here. Let's see what these are. Wow. 8.88. So 8.88, 4.4, about three almost 4 ounces heavier. That's pretty good. So what are they all together, I wonder? They are 21.6 ounces. For those, hopefully it doesn't overdo. It might overdo the scale. No, maybe not. I don't know how far the scale goes up. 35.4. 4.45. So, yeah. There's quite a bit of difference. 35 and 21. Almost doubling. No, I guess not quite doubling, but yeah. So 25 or 35.45 altogether, and 21.6. So good 15-ish ounces heavier. So yeah. Alrighty, cool. Like I said, we're gonna put them on and yeah, go get them put on. Alright, well, as you can tell, these are significantly heavier. So let's get them put on. And then we'll go plan on taking this out on the rocks a little bit, seeing how it performs with these tires. And we'll see how they work. You know, they're not really aggressive. Like I said, I wanted, it's the scale realism of this body. It's not a licensed Chevy body, but it is a Chevy Blazer body. Has a lot of scale details to it, and once I get it on here, I'll get it powered up and show you all the lights and stuff like that. I can't remember. I don't think it came with any of the lights. I ordered them all up separately and put them on separately. Ordered them straight from G-Made. So, but get it all powered up here. There's those. Significantly, oh my goodness, significantly heavier. let's get this on. There we go. So let's get it powered on. Some of the lights come on. A lot of the body lights come on with the ESC and the motor, the backs. And then most of the other ones I have to a 9-volt battery on that. So yeah, so basically it just right back there, it ties into the back, and right up front here into the front bumper is where it clips in. Anyways, that's all the lights to it. It's got those lights. So that light, these two, and the roof rack are all on with the 9-volt, and then the headlights and taillights are on with the car. Yeah, I love the low speed callability of these Fusion, or both of the Fusion and the Pro ones. They're just, they're so smooth. But yeah, so that's what it looks like now with the more stock wheels on it. I don't know, I like the looks of those. I don't know if I mentioned also it is a 2-speed transmission. So there's, that's low speed. Oh, that was low speed. So that's low speed. That's second gear. But there's quite a difference between the gearing, which is kind of nice. But yeah, so that's it. Yeah, that's my G-Made Buffalo. Like I said, I'm gonna go take it off out on some rocks and see how these wheels and tires do compared to the other ones, and we'll just go from there. But otherwise, yeah, I like this thing. It does have full inner fender wells. They're a not well-known brand, but they're a good car. So anyways, I hope you liked this video, and we will catch you on the next one when I go and take this out onto the rocks. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.